Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all students. Okay, how are you today? Okay, hopefully all of you is in the pink of health. Okay, so for today, before that, my name is Cikgu Nazatu Shima binti Yahya. Okay, I am from SMK Sultan Badisha, and for this week, I will continue our program with a chapter Simple Probability for session 1 and followed by my friend Noel El Hidayah for the second session. Okay, for topic continuous from this topic, combined probability. Okay. Okay, so before we proceed, we do some revision. Okay, the notes already given to you, but yours in BM version, right? So I have edit a little bit. So this one in BI version, but I'm really sure you can understand both, right? Okay. So let's see what is the important thing in this topic. Okay, simple probability. So the first important thing that you have to know is sample space. Okay, sample space. What is the sample space? Okay, so for sample space, you have to remember the keyword for the sample space is all the possible outcome of an experiment, and we always represent it as S, and here S is in capital letter. Okay, next, event. Okay, what is an event? Okay, so an event is a result of an experiment. Okay, then we go to the formula. Okay, when we want to find the probability of the event, okay, probability here stand for P here stand for probability and A for the event. So the formula is the number of way event A occur. Okay, so event, the total number of event divided by total number of possible outcome. Okay, here is the sample space. Alright. Okay, and then we proceed. Okay, the probability for the complement of an event. Okay, so here we have P A. Okay, apostrophe here. Okay, so the formula is probability of A, probability of event plus probability of the complement of an event is equal to 1. Okay, so you can use this formula when you want to find probability of an event or the complement, okay, when you are given the information. Okay, and one more thing you have to remember, the value for your probability must be less or equal to 1 and greater or equal to 0. Okay, let's proceed to the first question. Okay, okay. An apple is picked from a box that contains 25 green apple. Okay, highlight the important keyword here. And 35 red apples. Okay, calculate the probability of getting a green apple. Okay, so you have to remember again the formula for probability. Okay, let's say we use A here. Okay, sorry. I want to use another color of ink. Some of you can see. Okay, so probability of A here. Okay, so equal to event. Okay, event over sample space, right? Okay, sample space. Okay, so here your event, you want to choose green apple, right? So green apple you have 25. Okay, so 25. Okay, 25 over, okay, sample space. Remember again, the keyword is total. All possible outcomes total. Alright, so here 25 divided by 25 plus 35. Okay, so you will get 25 over 60. Okay, and remember your final answer must be in the simplest form. So you have to simplify. So you will get 5 over 12. Okay. Okay. Okay, simple question, right? Okay. So we proceed to the next question. Okay. Pramjit gets RM5. Okay. RM5 pocket money every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay. Then calculate the probability of him getting the amount of RM5 in 4 weeks. Okay. Dia nak tahu dalam 4 minggu dapat berapa. Okay. Okay. So how to calculate? Okay. Event. What is our event? Event is we'll get RM5 but then not every day, right? Okay. So he will only get for 3 days. So our event is, okay, our event is 3 times 4. Why 4? Okay, 3 days. Okay, 3 for 3 days and 4 for 4 weeks. Okay, so 3 times 4 equal to 12. Okay, okay. Then we find the total, okay, the sample space, okay, the value for sample space, okay. Cause the probability is equal to event over sample space, right? Okay, so 4 weeks. Okay, 4 weeks you have how many days? Okay, 1 week we have 7 days. So here 7 times 4. So equal to 28. Okay, so we put in the formula. So should be 12 divided by 28. Okay, then simplify to the simplest form. 3 times 4 is 12. 7 times 4 is 28. So you will get 3 over 7. Alright. Okay. So here you must be careful with the information given. Okay. Because here he will only get the pocket money for Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday. So that's why here only 3. Okay. And then why 4? Because 4 weeks. Okay. But then for the total, okay, total must consider 1 week we have 7 days. So times for 4 weeks we have 28 days. Okay. Okay. Let us proceed to the next question. Okay, hopefully we can cover all the question because the times given is only 1 hour, but we have about 17 questions to answer. Okay. Okay. So question 3. Okay, a supermarket held a lucky draw. Okay, lucky draw for a week in conjunction with its 10th anniversary. The supermarket has set a condition that every purchase of RM50, okay, is eligible to submit one entry. The supermarket record the distribution of gift coupon on the average of 30 pieces a day for a week. Okay. Daniel, a food stall owner, spent RM450 throughout the draw period. Calculate the probability of Daniel will win the lucky draw. Okay. Okay, here, as Daniel spent 450, so we have to find how many lucky draw he can join lah. Okay. So because for one lucky draw must purchase RM50, right? So 450 divided by 50. So you will get 9. Okay. So means that Daniel have 9. Okay. 9 lucky draw he can enter. Alright. Okay. So 9. Okay. 9 is the event, right? Okay. How about the sample? Okay. So here mentioned already. Okay. Average of 30 pieces a day for a week. Okay. For a week. Okay. So our sample space is equal to 30 times. So 1 week, again 1 week we have 7 days, right? So 30 times 7, so equal to 2110. Okay. Okay, so you know probability. Again, probability is equal to, let's say this is even for C blood. Okay, so even over sample space, so 9 over 210. So this one also you can simplify. Okay, so 3 times 3 is 9. 70 times 3 is 210. So your final answer is 3 over 70. Okay. Okay. Alright. We proceed to the next question. Okay. Question 4. Okay, read the question first. An employee at a florist shop arranged 15 bouquets according to the number of flowers arranged in an odd numbers 1 to 30 in ascending order. Okay, A is the event of selling a flower bouquet that has a perfect square number of flowers. Determine the complement of an event. Okay, in. Okay, the first one word and the second one set notation. Okay, so for this question, okay, you have to write, okay, or you have to represent the probability in word and set notation. Okay, and this one you have learned in form 1. Okay, introduction in set. Okay, okay, so let us solve first. Okay, let's solve this question first. Okay, so first we have to find sample space. Okay, sample space. Okay, sample space here we have to write the number from 1 to 30, but then we only choose odd number. Okay, okay, so we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, and 29. Okay, so remember the limit is from 1 to 30 only. Alright, okay, so this is our sample space. Alright, okay, so event of A, so A is event of perfect square. So from this one, our perfect square, we have 1, okay, and then we have 9, then we have 25, okay. So 1, 9, 25. Alright, okay. So the question ask you to determine the complement of an event. Okay, so maksudnya dia bukan nak A lah. Okay, so always remember when the question ask you to find the complement of an event A, maksudnya dia bukan nak yang tu, dia nak selain dia. Okay, okay. So dan awak kena represent dalam yang pertama word, yang kedua dalam set notation. Okay, so number 1, okay, in words. Okay, in words. Okay, you can say that. Okay, A prime is the set of number which is not perfect square. Okay, sebab A prime tadi dia mesti selain daripada perfect square. Okay, the question A is perfect square, so A prime selain perfect square lah. So you can write A prime is the set of number which is not perfect square. Okay, so you can write like this. But then for the grammar, so grammar tak ada masalah lah nah. Okay, grammar cikgu pun tak berapa nak cantik kat situ. Okay, so tak ada masalah, yang penting awak tahu tulis dalam word. Okay, So number 2, okay, number 2 in set notation. Okay, so here we already find our A, right? Okay, we already find our A, so we know this is our A 1925. So when we want to find A prime, of course our answer is all except 19 and 25. Okay, so here I already circle the A, so the other one, the rest, okay, is A prime lah. Okay, so just list 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 27, and 29. And close the bracket. Okay. Okay. So remember to use the bracket here at the first and at the end. Alright. Okay. Okay. Alright. Let us proceed to the next question. Okay. Question number 5. Okay, read the question together. Okay, one number was chosen randomly from a set of integers from 1 to 20. Okay, and A is an event of choosing prime number. Okay, determine the complement of probability A. Okay, again, complement. Okay, complement of probability A. Okay, so your first step is to write our sample space. Okay, so S equal to, open the bracket. Okay, the number is from 1 to 20. So write all the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, close the bracket. Okay. Okay, then we calculate how many is our sample space. So you already write 1, 2, 3 until 20, right? So of course the total is, the number of sample space is 20. Okay. Okay, then the question asks you to find the complement of probability A. So where A is an event of choosing a prime number. So if you want to find A, okay, A is prime number. So prime number, remember what is a prime number? Prime number is number which only can divide with itself and 1 only. Okay. Okay, so prime number. Okay, prime number. Okay, we list out. Prime number must start with 2. Okay, this one, some of you make a careless mistake because you think that 2 is not a prime number, but remember prime number we start with 2. Okay, so prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 is not. Okay, 11, 13, 17, and 19. Okay, sorry. Okay, so the number of your A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. Alright. Okay, then the question asks you to find the probability of complement. Okay, probability of complement A prime. Okay, you have already have the value for A. Okay, but then the question asks you to find the probability of complement of A. So, okay, for this question, okay, for this question you can find directly actually. Okay, you can find directly what is A prime. Okay, and but then you also can use this method. Okay, you find A first and then you just minus. All right. Okay, so for A here, probability of A here, okay, you have 8 over 20, right? Okay, but then you want to find PA prime. Okay, so remember the formula given. P for A plus P for complement for A is equal to 1, right? Okay, so when you want to find PA prime, so you can use the formula. So PA prime here equal to 1 minus PA. So your PA here is 8 over 20. So 1 minus 8 over 20. Okay, so you will get 12 over 20. Okay, and you can simplify to 2, sorry. Okay, 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times 4 is 20. So 3 over 5. Okay, okay, so here remember once 1 here actually represent 20 over 20. Okay, 20, when you divide 20 by 20 you will get 1. So here 20 minus 8 is 12, right? Okay, but you also can use your calculator, right? Okay, so settle for this question. Alright, okay, hopefully you can get the idea here. Okay, we proceed to the next question. Okay, okay, question 6. Okay, the Venn diagram on the right shows the element in a universal set. Calculate the probability of PA prime. Okay, again, okay, complement of A. Okay, here when you are given Venn diagram, okay, actually this one is more easier for you to calculate, alright? Okay, because when you have A here, okay, so of course you know A prime is all except A, right? Okay, so you have A here. So where is your A prime? Okay, this one lah. Okay, this one, all of this is your A prime. Okay, so okay, how many of the element? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 here, divide by, okay, you must find total, right? So here we have 5, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 over 10. So this one we can simplify to 1 over 2. Okay, very easy, right? Okay. Okay. So we have about 10 question more. Okay. Okay, we try. Okay. Next question, question 7. Okay, a container. A container contains a number of red and blue. Okay, so here red and blue pens. Okay, the probability of choosing one blue pen from the container is 3 over 5. Calculate the probability of choosing one red pen. Okay, dia dah bagi yang untuk blue dan dia suruh cari untuk red. Okay, so this one kalau kita guna tree diagram, okay, here we have 1 or 1 is actually 5 over 5. Okay, so given for blue, we have 3 over 5, right? Okay, so for red, can you guess? Question like this, like your trial, right? Okay, so actually you can guess here. Okay, because when you want to find the probability of R, so you will use the formula 1 or 5 over 5 minus 3 over 5, right? Okay, so you will get 2 over 5. Okay, so here 2 over 5. Okay, very simple question. Direct sahaja. Okay, senang je soalan ni. Okay, we proceed. Okay, question number 8. Okay, we read the question. Ali has RM73. A shop selling shoes give Ali a choice by offering 3 pairs of shoes priced below RM50 a pair, 4 pair of shoes priced between 50 to 70. Okay, so here the price 50 and then 50 to 70, and 5 pair of shoes priced at 70. Okay, if B is an event where Ali buys a pair of shoes, express the complement of an event. Okay, dia nak complement. Okay, so B adalah event dia beli kasut. Okay, B adalah event untuk dia beli kasut. Okay, so complement adalah event untuk dia tak beli kasut lah. Okay, so in word we can say that B prime is the event, the set of Ali does not buy a pair of shoes. Okay, sebab B tadi event dia beli kasut, so complement dia tak beli lah. Okay, cuma tulis dalam bentuk ayat saja. Okay, B in set notation. Okay, sekarang ni B adalah event dia beli kasut. Okay, so B prime adalah event dia tak beli kasut. Okay, ada ke tak ada? Ada ke tak ada? So B prime tak ada kan? So B prime maksudnya empty set lah. Okay, empty set. Okay. Right. Okay, simple. Okay, we proceed to the next question. Okay, for question 9. Okay, question 9. A sum of 10% of orange from 3 boxes of orange is found to be rotten. Okay, 10% rotten. C is a non-rotten orange event. Okay, if an orange box contains 30 orange, calculate the probability of taking one non-rotten orange at random. Okay, so dia nak PC lah. Sebab C adalah kebarangkalian untuk dia pilih non-rotten kan. Okay. Okay. So kalau tengok dekat sini, dia bagi tahu yang rotten ada 10%, right? Okay, 10% rotten means that PC prime equal to 10%, which is we can simplify to 1 over 10. So actually yang rotten adalah 1 over 10. Okay, then we want to find P for C. Okay, so P for C here we know we have, if we want to find the C and given complement, so we can use the formula. Okay, so for C, 1 minus 1 over 10. Okay, so you will get 9 over 10. Okay. Alright. Okay. We proceed to the next question. Okay, cikgu pergi laju sikit masa kita dah lebih kurang setengah jam. Okay, dan kita ada banyak soalan lagi nak dijawab. Okay, question 10. Okay, a shirt manufacturer managed to produce Okay, 80 pieces of shirt in 1 month. Okay, then he sells 15 pieces of shirt in 1 week. If the profit from selling 15 pieces of shirt is 135, calculate. Okay, so 3 benda nak kat sini. Yang pertama, the probability of the shirt sold in 1 month. Okay. The second one, profit obtained in 2 months. And the last one, the probability of the shirt not sold in 1 month. Okay. Okay. So, kalau kita tengok kat sini, kita nak cari probability of shirt sold in 1 month. Okay. So, kalau kita tengok, how many t-shirt yang dia jual dalam seminggu. Okay. 1 week. Okay. 1 week dia sell sebanyak 15. Okay. And then dia nak untuk 1 month. Okay. So 1 month kita ada berapa week? So 1 month sama dengan 4 week, right? Okay. So our event equal to 15 times 4. Okay. So you will get 60. Right. Okay. Then, okay, you have to remember probability. Okay, must be event over sample space. Okay, so check balik tengok soalan. Dia kata a shirt manufacturer managed to produce 80 pieces in 1 month. Okay, so here, okay, here your probability equal to 60 over 80. Then you simplify. So you will get 3 over 4. Okay. This one for A. Right. Okay. For B. Okay. For B, the question asks you to find the profit obtained in 2 months. Okay. Okay. Check here. The information given. If the profit from selling 15 pieces of shirt is 135. Okay. So maksudnya bila dia jual 15 t-shirt, dia dah untung 135, right? Okay. Okay. So dia nak sekarang profit untuk 2 bulan. Okay. So kalau untuk sebulan, so kita kira untuk sebulan dulu. So 135 times 4. Because 1 month we have 4 weeks, right? Okay. So we calculate for 1 month first. So 135 times 4, you will get 540. Okay. Then this one for 1 month. So the location asks you to find for 2 months, right? So you can either 540 times 2 or 540 plus 540. So you will get RM 1080. Okay. Okay, this one simple je. Tak melibatkan probability pun boleh dapat jawapan juga. Alright. Okay. Next. Question C. Okay. The probability of the shirt not sold. Okay. Not sold in 1 month. Okay. So this one, kalau tengok balik, kita actually dekat A ni tadi. Okay. Dekat A ni tadi, kita dah cari probability dia jual 1 bulan kan. Okay. So sekarang dia kata probability of the shirt not sold pula. Okay. So kita guna relation untuk cari P. Maksudnya complement lah ni. PA prime. Okay. So equal to 1 minus 3 over 4. Okay. So equal to 1 over 4. Okay. Okay. We'll proceed to the next question. Right. Okay. Read the question. A container contains 35 red marbles. Okay. And a few blue marbles. Okay. And a marble is randomly taken from the container. Okay. The probability of taking the red marble is 7 over 15. Okay, untuk pilih red, kebarangkaliannya 7/15. Okay, so calculate. Okay, A, the probability of choosing a blue marble. Okay, okay, so how to find? Okay, again, okay, if you see we only have red and blue, right? So when the given for the red, the probability is 7/15. Okay, so if you want to find the blue, so here the relation, okay, so from 1, okay, divide 7/15 here, then we have to find the blue. So the sebahagian yang lain lah, sebab kita tak ada colour yang lain lagi dah kat situ nah. So maksudnya kat sini kita boleh guna relation 1 minus 7/15. Okay, so 15 here, 1 here mean 15/15. Okay, so 1 minus 7/15, so you will get 8/15. Okay, simple direct question, right? Okay, proceed to the B question. Okay, so for question B, calculate the number of blue marbles. Okay, so maksudnya kat sini sekarang ni untuk red tadi, okay, untuk red tadi 7 come from 35 over total, right? Okay, so for probability given, when the probability given to you, you must remember the probability given to you is in the simplest form. So when here the probability for red is 7, but does not mean the total number of red is 7 only. Okay, so this one is simplified from 35 over total. Alright, okay, so if you see here, okay, for your blue, you will from question A we get 8/15, right? Okay, so if you see from 35, okay, simplify to 7. So here what happened? 35 is divided by 5, right? Okay, okay, so here means when you want to find the probability of when you want to find the total number of blue, so here you have to reverse the action. So here divide, so here you have to times. Okay, so means that here for your blue equal to 8 times 5, so equal to 40. Okay, okay, so actually for this question you also can use a relation, another relation, but the calculation is a little bit complicated. Okay, so you can use this relation. 7/15 is equal to 35 over total, which is total is 35. Okay, plus let's say for the blue we put B here. Okay, so you can do a cross multiplication here. Alright, so 7 times 35 plus B equal to 15 times 35. Okay, okay. Then 7 times 35, okay, plus 7B. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, cik nak tekan calculator je. Okay, so 7 times 35, you will get 245 plus 7B. So here 15 times 35, you will get 525. So then after that you solve lah. Okay, so 7B is equal to 525 minus 245 equal to 280. Then B equal to 280 divided by 7. So you will get 40. Okay, so same answer. Okay, so you can choose which one is easier for you. Alright, okay. So we proceed to the next question. Question C. Okay, probability of choosing blue marble if 8 red marble are added. Okay. So for this question, you must be careful, okay? Because for your calculation, you must remember to add 8 red marble, okay, in the calculation. Okay, so from question B, you already know the number of blue is 40, right? So here 40, okay, divided by, okay, red marble, sorry. For the total here, okay, we don't have the value of the total, right? Okay, but then from this one, we know the total is equal to 35 plus B, and we already know the value of B, so 35 plus 40 equal to 75. Okay, so total, first total is 75, but then, okay, this one add with 8 red marble, so 75 plus 8. Okay, so you will get 40 over 83. Okay, and this one you cannot simplify, so just write your answer in this form. Okay, alright, proceed to the next question, question 12. Okay, a box contains card with the letter that form the word pembelajar, right? And one card is taken from the box randomly. Okay, randomly. So question A asks you to find, list the sample space. Okay, so sample space, remember keyword for sample space. So we have to write down all possible outcome, right? Okay, so just write down S equal to, open your bracket. So list down again the word, the word, the alphabet. Okay, P, comma E, M, B, E, L, A, J, A, R, A, N. Okay, you have to write all. Remember, the keyword for sample space is all. Okay, okay. Then for question B, list all the vowels. Okay, list all the vowels. Okay, so from here, from the sample space, okay. So for this one, the vowel, we can use V, capital letter V here. Okay, okay. So vowel, okay, if you see here, you have more than one vowel, right? So you have E here, E here. Okay, so you can differentiate your answer by putting it as E1, then E2. Because you want to differentiate between these both. Okay, then next we have, okay, for A, we also have 3A. So you can label it as A1, A2, and A3. Okay, okay. For question C, okay, calculate the probability. Okay, so kalau tengok sebenarnya soalan A dengan B tu, dia tak tanya probability lagi. Okay, A dengan B tu baru tanya sample space. Okay, and then listing, B tu list vowel. Okay, yang ni baru tanya probability of taking a consonant. Okay, so kalau ikutkan, this one adalah probability of V prime lah. Sebab V ni tadi adalah vowels lah. So bakinya tu adalah consonant. Okay, so kalau kita listkan dahulu, kita punya V prime. So, all except V lah. Okay, so all except V. So, we have P, M, B, L, J, R, N. Okay, so P, M, B, L, J, R, N. Alright. Okay, then for probability, we must find even over total, right? So calculate. So for the number of, sorry. Okay, the number of V prime. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. Then total. Okay, total from this one. Okay, from this one, we will calculate. Okay, we have 12. So our probability equal to 7/12. Okay, sorry, here should be not be here, right? Just be prime. Okay. Okay, let's proceed to the next question. We have another 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, for question 13. Okay, read the question. The question, a basket contains 6 mini blue cube. Okay, 6 blue, 10 yellow cones and a few green cones. Okay, one cone is taken randomly from the basket. Okay, the probability of getting a mini blue cone is 1/4. Okay, untuk dapat blue, 1/4. Okay, so this one kalau kita buat tree diagram, maksud kita pecah kepada blue, kita ada yellow, dan kita ada green. Okay, then probability of getting a blue, dia dah bagi dah 1/4. Okay, 1/4 is the probability, and then dia punya total number. Okay, untuk blue, total number dia 6. Sorry, not equal. Okay, total number dia 6, right? Okay, untuk yellow pula, total number dia 10. Okay, and then green kita tak tahu apa-apa. Tak ada maklumat apa-apa, right? Okay, so soalan A, dia tanya, calculate the total number of mini cones in the basket. Okay. So again, kita boleh guna relation macam tadi lah. Okay. Relation macam tadi untuk cari berapa. Okay. Okay. So, we use blue. Relation for blue. Okay, where 1/4 is come from. Sorry. Okay. So, the number of mini blue cones is 6, right? And 6 over total give the probability of choosing a blue, which is 1/4. Okay, so 6 divided by 6 equal to 1, right? Okay, so you have to reverse. Here you have to times lah. Okay, so our total is 4 times 6. Okay, so you will get 24, right? Okay, next. Okay, for this question, if you see the Malay and BI version, it's not tally. Okay, so since we use BI version, so we use the question for BI lah. Okay, okay. For B, the probability of choosing a mini yellow cone. Okay, untuk yellow cone pula. Okay, so again, probability must be even over total. So we already know the number of yellow. We have 10 here. So 10 over total. Okay, total already got the answer from A. So 10 over 24. Okay, so simplify to 5/12. Okay. Okay, for this one, if you see the schema given for the question in Malay version. Okay, so because the Malay version we want to find, barangkali memilih cone mini bukan berwarna kuning. Okay, so kalau cari bukan berwarna kuning, this one untuk berwarna kuning, so just 1 minus 5/12 lah. So you will get 7/12. Okay. Okay. We go to the next question, and we only have about 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, we try. Okay, for question 14. Okay, for question 14. Okay, the probability of Aiman shooting an arrow accurately is 85%. In 1 minute, Aiman is able to take 3 shots. Okay, Then calculate the number of non-accurate shoots that is taken by Aiman in 1 hour. Okay. Okay. So, information given here. Untuk dia shoot. Okay. Dia shoot 85%, right? So, okay. So this one untuk dia shoot lah. S. So, for S prime. Okay. So, S prime of course 100 minus 100 over 100 minus 35 over 100. So you will get 50 over 100. Okay, but then okay, you cannot stop here because the question asks you to find calculate number of non-accurate shoot that is taken by Aiman in 1 hour. Okay, so 15 over 100. Okay, mass times. Okay, in 1 minute able to take 3, right? So 1 minute 3. Then in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. Okay, so 15 over 100 times 3 times 60. Okay. Okay, so simplify 2 times 5, 3 times 5. Okay, 1 times 2, 3 times 2. So 3 times 3 times 3. So you will get 27. Alright. Okay, so proceed. I think this is for the last question lah. Okay, we have another 8 minutes. So proceed to the next question. 15. Okay, a box. Okay, a box contains 3 balls that are marked with 3 vowels A, E, I. 1 ball is taken randomly from the box, and the vowels obtained is written down. The ball is placed back into the box, and the second ball is taken randomly from the box. With the help of a tree diagram, list the sample space for the experiment. Okay, so soalan ni memang suruh guna tree diagram. So kita guna tree diagram. So we have A, E, I. Okay, A, E, I. So here the ball, okay, if you see the question, okay, 1 ball is taken and then put back, and then the second ball is taken again. So for the second ball, we also have A again. Okay, repeat. Okay, so here A, E, and here also A, E, I. Okay, then just write the outcome. Okay, so here you want to find the outcome, just go back to the tree ni lah. Okay, so this one adalah A, A. Okay, A, A. Alright, so next we have A, E, A, I, E, A, E, 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 I, A, I, E, and the last one I. Okay, and the question asks you to list the sample space for the experiment. So you have to list again lah. Right, so S equal to, put in the bracket, so just write again, just copy your answer above. Okay, A, E, A, I. Okay, E, A, E, 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 I. Then I, A, I, E, I. Okay, right. Okay, so this one for question A. Okay, then for question B, list all elements, okay, of the complement of the event of obtaining difference vowels. Okay, list all elements of the complement of the event of obtaining difference vowel. Okay. Okay, so maksudnya kat sini, Okay, event dia adalah dia dapat difference mover. Tapi dia bukan nak A tu. Okay, dia nak complement bagi A. So, maksudnya dia nak A prime lah. Okay, so kalau kata tadi untuk A tadi different movers. So, A prime maksudnya yang same lah. Okay, so yang same, kalau kita tengok kat sini kita ada AA. Okay, we have II and we have EE. So, just write again your answer. Okay, AA, EE, and then I. Okay, okay. So, last question for C. Okay, calculate the probability of the complement of an event for experiment B. Okay, kat sini baru dia tanya probability. Okay, so probability of A prime lah. Okay, so probability must find the total number for event. So event A here you have, if you calculate, we have 1, 2, 3, right? So we have 3 here. And for the sample space, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9. Okay, so just put in the formula. So 3 over 9. Alright, so simplify to the simplest form. So 1 over 3. Okay, 1 over 3. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Okay, sorry. Okay. The question asks you to find the complement of an event for experiment B. Complement of an event for experiment B. So event for experiment B is A prime. Okay. So complement dia maksudnya dia nak cari A. Okay, dia nak cari A. Okay, tak habis lagi kerja kita. Okay, so when you want to find the probability of A, so equal to 1 minus 1 over 3. Okay, so equal to 2 over 3. So this is your final answer. Alright, okay, a little bit confusing here, right? Because here you have to find complement and again complement. Okay, so you have to read the question careful. Okay, and then when you got the answer, check again. You have already answered the question or not. Okay, if not, continue until you answer the question completely. Alright. Okay. So I think that's all that I can share for today's. Okay. Because the second session will be continued by my friend. Okay. So the other question here. Okay, you can ask from your teacher the scheme. Okay, so tak banyak dah sebenarnya. Okay, 16, 17, 18. Sorry, dua soalan je. Okay, only 2 question there. Okay, so thank you. Okay, then we stop here. Okay, see you. Right, okay, thank you.